So before we move further into this automation, there are two more critical and very important communication method that should be set up properly. So one is your Gmail account for the emails, and the second is your Twilio, or it can be anything else. It can be Ring Central, it can be any local SMS service, but I would prefer Twilio because it has multi-country delivery options, as well as like we can deliver any multiple type of formats with the same one single account. So let's go and build the Gmail and Twilio. So for example, I think Gmail you would already have. It's pretty straightforward. So let's go here, and this is our Gmail account, which is already established on G Suite. However, you can have a personal Gmail. That's absolutely fine. Now, something really important to mention is your personal Gmail can send maximum 500 emails per day, and the G Suite account can send up to 2000 emails per day. However, you should not reach those limits. Otherwise, your obviously Gmail can identify what kind of activity you're doing, what is the open rate, what's the engagement rate of the recipient, and accordingly they can mark your domain reputation or mark your email account reputation. So it's really important to be aware about that. So in case of Twilio, you can go to simply called console.twilio.com, and over here you can see your basic account SID, authentication token, your phone number. If you don't have phone number, simply go here, view all numbers, and then they are giving you option to get a new phone number available. So like you can buy a virtual number over here and just pay for it. So currently I have a US number available right here, as well as you can simply develop any sort of SMS or like messaging template. So yeah, those things can also be done. It's pretty much on the Twilio side, so you can like just play around with this account and ensure that you have enough credits before you send out. One super important thing, Twilio or the US Telecom Regulatory Authority recently started something called A2P, application to person. So if you are sending any messages from any automated system to any person, then you should verify your business first. So you'll have to do some sort of verification process with Twilio. You'll have to submit your business document and a couple of things, and then that will be done. So here you see A2P registration is required for US messaging. So this is super important. So don't forget, like these two accounts should be set up properly. So in the next video, we'll proceed to set up the entire make.com automation, and we'll club all these things together.